Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the love and support. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Today I am making strawberry mango blueberry smoothie. Come along with me, let I show you how I do this.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For your device, you know, say a chat boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J. I hear a word. Sister J word. I hear a word.
Here I have frozen strawberry mango blueberry mix along with the blueberry yogurt, almond milk, and flaxseed. So guys, everything I'm using here have great health benefits. Perfect for a breakfast, lunch, or dinner smoothie. Yes. So let's get into this quick and easy recipe. So here I open the pack and I realized that it was just a small portion of blueberries in it, so I add some more blueberries. So now I'm just rinsing them off a little. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to my Vitamix blender, followed by the fruits. Then I'm adding a small portion of almond milk, and then the yogurt. I'm just gonna cover, pulse, and then blend. It's blending nicely, creamy and smooth. If you're here for the first time and you are not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. So now I'm pouring the smoothie into 2 cups. And there you have it, my lovely people. Smoothie is ready. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. One love to all. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's World. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to Sister J
Don't
World.
forget to
Big man,
subscribe.
boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J World. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Sister J World full of beer vibes. Have you watch when she premiere in live. Everybody have to just get in